Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is February 28th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir having another good day today. So we closed up 38 cents, 3.31%, closed at 11.85. Post-market, we are down 7 cents only. Let's look at what we have here on the chart. Last Thursday, we had this big green candle, like in many stocks. Then on Friday, we pulled back a little bit, but the pullback was less than 50% of the gain that we had made on Thursday. So a pullback of less than 50% is positive because it tells us that the stock should be going on. It does not always work that way, but a less than 50% pullback is good. Today, we are making higher highs and higher lows. We still have a little bit of a body of a candle. So the stock went up, the stock went down, and we closed pretty much at the same place. It's not a stock that really wants to go far yet, but it's getting close a little bit. So we closed right under our 1194 resistance. So 1194 is really important again here. We were stopped by it last Friday. We crossed it during the day, but came back down at the end of the day. So when we are looking at crosses of resistance and support, we want that cross to stay at the close. So if the cross does not stay at the close, then it's not a cross. So basically right now, this is not a break of the 1194 resistance yet. It's getting close, but it's not there yet. Close, but no cigar. Let's go and look at the 1 hour chart to understand how this happens. It was a volatile first hour, so we opened right under 1194, came back down, came back up, came back underneath. Second hour, strong. It looked like we were going to make it because we have nice green candle and we broke 1194, even though we had a little bit of a selling pressure here with this little wick on top and no wick at the bottom. So it shows that the sellers won the end of the game on that hour, during that hour. Second hour, then we came back down, took a couple of hours to came back up, and now we are coming back closer here with a little bit of a wick at the bottom here, showing that the buyers seem to be in control, at least on this candle here. And in terms of the volume is increasing a little bit right here. In terms of indicators on the 1 hour chart, pretty good too. Stochastic at 86, so still plenty of steam in this engine. RSI above 0 on the 1 hour chart, and MACD is really nice on the 1 hour chart. Okay, let's look at the daily chart though. In terms of the daily chart, we have stochastic at 45. So stochastic not yet at 60. So if we break 1194 tomorrow and close above it on the daily chart, we might have a stochastic closer to 60. So that would look like a little bit of a buy signal in my book. In terms of MACD, so MACD crossed over bullish. So we have our MACD, usually the first indicator to tell us that a trend has changed is there. So that's nice. If we break tomorrow again, 1194 and stochastic over 60, it's going to mean that we are going to accumulate the signals. Stochastic, MACD, and the break at 1194. In terms of RSI inching a little bit closer to 50, we want something over 50 to also indicate that the bull trend is on. But we don't need to have all of the indicators to get in. You can buy at any point with no indicator, and that's the riskiest move. You can buy into a stock when stochastic is over 60. So that's a less risky move. You can buy a stock when stochastic is over 60 and the stock has broken a resistance. That's an even less risky move, and so on. So you decide how many clues we need to have in order to buy. So this is why I never tell you when to buy, but I am telling you what our indicators are telling us. I am drawing the trend lines for you and telling you when we break the important trend lines. Then you are an adult. money is a very personal thing. So I don't know your financial situation. So I cannot tell you when to buy and when to sell. But if you look at the ingredients I am laying out in front of you, you will know when you can make a cake. Personally, myself, this is not financial advice. I will be very tempted to get back into Palantir if we cross 1194 tomorrow. Depending on stochastic and depending on the type of candle that we have, I might be getting back in. Palantir to the moon. Thanks very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. It's going to make me happy. And also there's a little bonuses for you. You can also click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.